Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I'm making a custom spread for one of my patrons over on Patreon. This one is for Darla. Darla, thank you for becoming a patron this month. I'm excited to make this spread for you. She requested a mini horizontal spread, and I actually didn't have horizontal mini spreads. So I actually went to Etsy and I printed these out myself. And I'll link the shop because she has really nice printables, very easy to print and cut. So I'll link it. And I think it was only like $2.70 for like all the files, and there were different versions of these, so I really like that. So I picked the one that had like thinner lines, which is nice. And then I have this little extra sheet, which I'm going to do an extra. I always do extra sheets for the minis. And we have Planything holiday season. This is still available. I'm excited to use this because it's the first time I'm using the Christmassy kind of section in this book. And then I'm really excited to use the winter section in here. Look how pretty that is, to do some scenes with them. So this one, again, is still available. It has Halloween and fall, and I think Thanksgiving was in here too. Super, super adorable. So definitely check that one out. I have that linked with a code as well to purchase. And then I do have a couple of other books. I'm going to get jewel tone boxes because I don't have boxes in here, so I need some functional stuff. And then I think I might pull a couple of stickers from here. This is the new Essential Holiday sticker book from the Happy Planner, the Mega sticker book. This was a Black Friday special. Really good book. But yeah, I'm going to use this one for some quotes. So yeah, that's kind of the idea for this spread. Now, just to like be very transparent here, I haven't decorated a mini horizontal spread in a long time, so that's gonna be fun because it's so tiny. My forte is more like the dashboard, but I love a challenge, so I'm excited to get in here and start. And I was thinking of doing some scenes. Like, I love this little fireplace with the tree, and I think maybe I'll put Santa. So maybe I could do like a little scene down here. I think that would be cool. So I'm actually going to cover this notes up, and we'll start with the little scene. Let's see. Okay, so I'm gonna put the tree next to the fireplace. And then we have Santa. It'll be like there. So there's that little scene, which is super adorable. And then ooh, I like these little banners. These are really cute. So maybe I could stick some over here. Okay. And then I have these girls, or these actually there's boys in here. There's a boy here too. And I like those because they have like presents. This one's wearing a Santa hat, which is cute. So I was gonna do them around the page too, but maybe like on top of boxes. I think that would be cute. So I'm gonna go and get some boxes. And I'm gonna use like the red section. I think that's a decent red. Yeah. So let's put this box here. I feel like a big box on the weekend is always handy to have that. So I'm gonna go there, and let's see. Let's put one of these walking on top. Or maybe I should do a box. Yes, okay. I'm gonna do another box. So let me grab a green box from here. This green is nice. I haven't used this green ever. So we'll grab a big box here. Do this here. Let's see how she fits. Oh yeah, perfect. Cute. Okay, so she's kind of like hanging out on top of here. Enough room to write. I could do some bullet points actually. And let me grab a little box. So I'm gonna grab a little red box. So wait, this over here. Perhaps one of these. I forgot to ask Darla like how she uses this planner, because I know I decorate horizontal, like regular classic horizontals, but they're usually for journaling, the ones that I've decorated. So yeah, I forgot to ask her how she uses this. Oh, you know what? Let me stick some presents. We'll stick presents here. Cute little presents. Okay. I think that looks super adorable, like that. And there's still enough room. She needs to write here, here. There's boxes here. Again, I did this more for the weekend because, okay, she's hopefully busy on the weekend. Christmas is on Monday. I'm so excited for Christmas break. Yeah, I can't wait. I wanted to do like this, the truck with the tree, and there's a little doggy. Maybe I could do it like this. Something like that. Like in the middle here. So again, there's still room to write around it, which I think works. Let me grab a green box just to get some contrast from all that red I just put down on the spread. So let's see. Let me actually pull this up first, because let's see if I do this on top of here. And maybe in a red box. Let's do it a little bit bigger. So it's kind of like sitting on top. Something like that. I think that works. So this box could be for Monday. This box for Tuesday. Okay, this isn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be. Like decorating it as difficult as I thought it was gonna be. So that's good. But I think this is a little crooked. Let me fix this. Okay, I think that's better. Oops. Yeah, let me bring it closer to me and do it. Sometimes I do a little crooked because it's not close to my face. Okay. That looks a little better. I think that's better. Cool. Now, oh, let me hang some of these. Actually, I'll do these two because they're facing the same way. I got them hanging. Cute, cute, cute. All right, and then I'm gonna do another, maybe this, the boy kind of walking this way would be cool. And I can have, actually, I think I like this scene. I'll do this scene here. And him walking that way. All right, and then I can add some boxes. So add this red one here. I'm gonna do a green one over here. And maybe some presents. What other present? Oh, I forgot this banner. Let's do this banner. Little banner there. That's so cute. Okay, I don't want to do any more on this. I'm gonna move to this little sheet and let's get a big box. I have a big box. I don't? Oh, here they are. Okay, so I'm gonna grab this green one. It's a nice, for like a nice list. That's why I like to add these extra ones because, you know, this, sometimes this is not enough, in my opinion. I'm gonna do a girl. if I put this here and her kind of next to it. Or let me get a box. I think a box will help. Oh my goodness, I can't put anything straight. Okay, let me try that again. Oh, she's too high. Okay. But if I put it low, maybe this will work actually. Yeah, I think that works. Yeah. Now this wreath, let me stick this down here, kind of hanging off. Okay, cute, cute, cute. And then I got, actually, I think that's it for that one. Yeah, I could do some bullet points, but I wanted to do some quotes, actually. So in here, there are quotes that kind of go like this. One's pretty and very bright. Ooh, I don't know if that'll fit, though. I feel like I need to make it fit. You know what? I might have to get rid of this. I think this is cuter. And then where to put it? Maybe it doesn't work. No. Maybe if I put it here. Okay, and then there's another one, this Oh What Fun, which is here. Okay. Just gonna stick in the middle here. Cute. And then I like these little, oops, I ripped it, but that's okay. I like these little ornaments. I think these are cute. So I'm just gonna add them here. Just the red and the green ones, because the blue doesn't really go with this spread. So, and then I'm just gonna draw lines going from the top. Just trying to get a washi card. Okay, so these are gonna go down like this. Kind of hanging down, which I think is cute. Okay, super adorable. Yeah, I think the last thing I want to add though, you know what, let me get rid of, I'm gonna move this. I don't like that it matches. Okay, at least it's in a different spot. And then I can do, you know what, I think, let me see, let me grab this. There's some here. Where to put it? Where to put it? Okay, I just want to like add it up here. I know it's in the same, well no, because it's in the same spot. I don't like it in the same spot. So maybe this way. Maybe going this way. Okay, that's different at least. And then she has like the whole back side to use, so I leave that blank for more room to write. Okay, I think that's super adorable. So that's gonna be Darla's spread. It came out so cute. Again, I used Planything stickers for this spread, mixture of other stickers, which I'll have linked down in the description. But I think that's a super adorable Christmas spread. So Darla, I hope you like your spread. I hope you enjoyed watching this plan with me, and thank you again for becoming a patron this month. And I hope you all enjoyed watching as well. If you did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, please hit that subscribe button, and I hope to see you in the next video.